Good day, guys. Good day. I hope you guys are good and having a lovely day so far. Yes, we are back at this again for today on a Tuesday. So yeah, yesterday we had a chat where we were checking the market. So we started off by checking the calendar just to see what to expect and for which pairs, like for this week, just to see if we will have like any news that will impact the market movement for this week. As you can remember, like last week, we lost like a few trades because of that. Like we missed like some of the news, and that is crucial. So yeah, but then I hope you guys did have a moment to check yesterday's videos so that you are aware of like of the news that will be coming up for this week. So yeah, without wasting any more time, I want to start by thanking you again once again for checking our videos and being with us like till now. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well as make sure that the bell icon is turned on so that you will be notified whenever we upload new content. So just for an update for the pairs that we spoke about like yesterday. So yesterday we spoke about like AUD JPY. It is one of the pairs that we spoke about. So if you remember here, we spoke like about this impulsive movement here. So out of this one, like we had like a retracement. We had a retracement that was formed here. So for this one, what we were checking, since it was a retracement, so we put our Fibonacci on this one. So it's an uptrend, as you can see. So we had our Fibonacci level here. So we were expecting the market we are expecting the market to come into our zones like between 50 and 78.6. So if you remember yesterday, like we did mention that the market will probably come here before it goes up. But then by doing so, we can also catch like a move down by putting like a fib level here, like from here going down here. So this being like more of a retracement for this movement down. So you can catch like a short sell here until to this level before the market goes up. So we are still on the idea that this market will go back up from here. Like this, the market will come down here to give us like a new lower low level before it goes back up. So yeah, that is it on this one. We are still keeping an eye on this pair. So yeah, moving on to the next pair that we spoke about like yesterday, we spoke about GBP, JPY as well. So on this one, what we were checking here, it was the cycle. So it was the cycle. So we were checking like this long movement here, as well as this latest cycle that was formed. So here, what we are expecting, so we're expecting like the market to come down here to give us like a new lower low level here, lower than this one here before it goes up. So we are still waiting for the market to do its thing, but as you can see, it is on its way down. So it won't come straight down. It'll come like making its movement because there's ways that the market moves. So we're just gonna be keeping an eye on this one as well. So yeah, that is it on this pair. So moving on to the other pair, we also spoke about like US30 yesterday. So what we spoke about like here yesterday, we're checking like this latest like impulsive movement that we have here, this impulsive movement here. So and out of this one, we had placed like our Fibonacci levels here. So the market did come down like to retest like our zones. So it came to test like 50 zone and went back up. So it came back again to test here. So it went back up. So what is happening here, like the market, we can see like it is moving like structurally on its way up, like creating like correction. So this is a correction. So this is our correction that we are checking from this one. So from this like movement here. So what will happen or what will probably happen here, the market might come down here to break out like this trend line here and maybe to retest like this zone before going back up. So but then on this one, you are still anticipating like a move up. So on this one, so that is it on this one as well. So you're just going to be keeping an eye on this one, but we are expecting the market to at least break this, give us a new lower low before it goes back up. So yeah, that is it that we also spoke about on this pair yesterday. So the last pair that we spoke about yesterday, so this is just for an update. We also spoke about like CHF, JPY. So on this one, big overview, like we can see, like we had like this impulsive movement here. Okay, let me do this. We had like this movement here, and out of this one, we had like this correction. So let me just go back to H4 so that it can be seen clearly. So from here, what we have at the moment right here. So we have like this big correction that we are checking. So out of this big one, we are expecting the market like to come down here. Okay, we're expecting the market to come to this zone here to give us a new lower low level that is lower than this one before it goes up. So if you check, we have like our Fibonacci level drawn on this like inverse like impulsive movement. So from here to here. So this was for us to catch like a movement down. Since we are anticipating the market to come down here, so we might as well like take a short sell from the impulsive movement that is being formed. So this giving us like a retracement of this one. So we have our Fibonacci level for on this impulsive movement, and the market did come to our zones like as we are expecting that it will come. So it did test our zone, and it went. It is going back down like as we are expecting. So we're gonna have like our TP. We have our TP like on this level here. This is for the short sell, but then the overall look here, what we are checking a buy. So we are just gonna wait for the market to come down to give us a new lower low level before it continues up. So yeah, that is it on this one as well. So moving on to the pairs that we are adding for today. So we're gonna be adding like 3 more pairs. So the first pair for today, additional pairs, we have Cadjpy. So on this one, what is happening? We are on H4. So this one, it is clear, you can see it clearly. So we have this up movement here, and out of this one, we have expanding triangle. So we have an expanding triangle, which is like our latest correction that has been formed. So yeah, so on this one, like the market, like this correction, if you look clearly, it is complete. So the market like gave us our A point, B, and C, gave us like a new lower low level, lower than this one. As you can see, like we also have a strong zone here that is the market is respecting. So it came down, just it broke like out of it with like few pips, and it is on its way back up. So and as it was going up, it also gave us like a new correction here. So that's more like a additional confirmation that the market is going up. So then go to H1 so that we can see like this more correction clearly that has been formed here. So this is the small correction that has been formed. So out of this one, like we have like this movement that is going up, and we have like our correction here as well. So the market like gave us a new lower low level that is lower than this one here, and it is on its way up. So this will probably come back down to retest this before it continues up. So out of this one, like we had like a trade from the big overview of it, and also like he had like additional trades for like this small correction here. So this more confirmation that we are on our way up. So that is it on this pair. So we're just going to be keeping an eye on this one as we monitor our trades as well as the market. So another pair for today is a Audcad. So for this one, it is also clear. We spoke about this one like for I think last week, if not the week before last. So we spoke about like this impulsive movement here. And for this impulsive movement, we have like a correction that is being formed. So here, what we are expecting, like we can see, like we have a strong zone that is being respected here. So we're expecting the market to come down here to give us to break out of this zone a little bit, like with few pips, to give us like a new lower low level before it continues up. So we are anticipating like a buy on this one here on this pair. So yeah, we're just going to be keeping an eye on this one as well. So moving on to the last pair for today, it is a NASDAQ. So for this one, what is happening? So for the previous week, we had like a complete correction and complete trades that were formed. This is our correction that happened like the past week. After giving us the lower low level, we were anticipating buy, so we had our TP somewhere here. So you can see the market went all the way up to hit our TP, which is what we want to see. And there was another like correction here that has been formed out of this one as well. We had like our trades that triggered like our TP. So, but then at the moment, what we are checking, we are checking like this impulsive movement here. So we have like our impulsive movement. And out of this one, we can see like clearly that the market for now, it is still creating like a retracement. So the retracement to come and test like our zones, 50 and 61.8 zones. So we have, if you can see like the Fibonacci level here. So we are anticipating that the market will come here to test our zones, go out, maybe come and retest it before it continues up. But that is what we are expecting on this pair as well. So yeah, that is it from me guys for today. I hope you guys enjoy these sessions. So this is just for the daily updates that we're gonna be doing like every day. So yeah, that is it from me guys. Have a lovely day. See you again tomorrow as we give like more updates. Thank you very much, guys. Have a lovely day. May God bless.